Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. So here in this first page, you will click on settings. Then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Discord and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.